Hi, have you ever clicked a link, downloaded a file, or visited a website and felt worried about malware, phishing attacks, or trackers spying on you? Here is the solution. NordVPN threat protection adds a built-in security layer that blocks threats before they even reach your device, keeping you safe online without slowing you down. Just notice the QR code on screen and the link in the description. Either way, you can scan the QR code or click the link in the description to try NordVPN free and see the power of threat protection in action. Just a quick heads up. If you sign up for NordVPN using the link below, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. And this helps support the channel so that I can keep making helpful videos, and I really appreciate it. Before we continue, I want to kindly remind you, if you are following this tutorial, please make sure to use my special link to get started. You can find it right below this video, in the description, in the pinned comment, or you can simply scan the QR code you see on your screen. If you are not familiar with how QR codes work, don't worry. I've made a short video right here on this channel showing you exactly how to download and use a QR scanner on your phone. Just look for it in this channel and you see how to install it and use it on your phone. By using my link, you not only get access to the official website and often benefit from exclusive discounts or even deals, because these discounts and deals will make you to pay at a reduced price. But you also help support this channel so that I can keep creating more clear, practical tutorials like this one, all at no extra cost to you. So let us go ahead and follow together step by step. I will show you exactly how you go from that link all the way to the download page, whether you are using a phone or a computer. Let me share my screen with you, please. Okay, assume now that together we are trying to watch the video and then you are also following us. You see on screen how to download and install NordVPN. As you are on YouTube, the only thing you need is to focus where you see more. You click on more and then you will open now the place where you have the description of the video, where you see the link where it says try NordVPN. That's where you click. If you like, you can still click on more, but there is no need. When you click there, they will ask you, do you want to leave YouTube? You say yes. You click on leave so that you can move now to the official website of NordVPN. Let's wait for it to load. As we click on leave, it will take us now to the website of NordVPN. And as I said, that special link will make you to really have some discounts and even some good deals after the trial period, if you like to really move on. At this level now, we allow it to load. Once the loading is over, please focus on these three lines up here. These three lines, that's where you are going to click. The three lines, when you click on them, you will land now to this page where you have download VPN. You click on it and you select now your device. In our case here, we are dealing with Android. But if it's iOS, if it's Linux, Windows, whatsoever, we click on Android in our case. And then we move now to where you see now, get it from Play Store. You click on get from Google Play. Sorry, we take you now Google Play. We now download it on Android so that we can use it there. That's how easy it is. When you click on it, this page is going to load. You just be patient a bit. Open with what? We are going to open with Google Play Store. You just click on it and then you select just once so that it can take you to Google Play Store for you to download NordVPN. Going from the source, that is our link. We click here now on install and then Google Play. From there now we can install our NordVPN. That is how easy it is to move from that link in the description right to our Google Play. Please just follow this step so that you can benefit from this discount. Thank you very much. Let me just share my next screen with you and then I will show you practically what you can really benefit from this important feature of NordVPN. Let's move to my next screen, please. As I open up my screen, as you see after installing NordVPN, let's go and open the app on our phone. As you can see, if you look under near the globe, you have the next button that will take you to this threat protection. When you click on it, as you see, it's off here. Let's try to use it when it is off. As you can see up there, it is really off. Let me leave the page. I'm gonna open a browser. Let us go and try to make some research online. In this case, I'm not totally protected because threat protection is off. Maybe I'll go and try to read some news, get some information. Let me go to BBC to maybe read some news, make other research. I'm online. I'm really with the VPN, but since threat protection is on, this is not really the best setting. I will read my news and so forth, but keep in mind that when it is off, you are really vulnerable online. This is not really the best way to really use this NordVPN feature to get protected and completely invisible. Let's go back now to our NordVPN and open it. Let's click on it, open it. This time now we still go on the way you see the globe. You click the next button to go back to use threat protection and let's try to activate it now. We click on it, it will ask me to reconnect to my Wi-Fi to activate it and then we now select one of the two, either with VPN only or always. You choose and then it will now reconnect you to the VPN, but this time threat protection is on. Let's go back now online and go back to our browser. This time now I'm really strongly protected. This is the best option. Please make sure that it is on. You can read your news, you can go and visit your sites, make your research online. Maybe let's go to New York Times for example to try to make some research. This time now when you work online, you are safely protected. Really, with NordVPN threat protection, malware, trackers, and harmful sites are blocked before they can affect you. What's the benefit for you? Safe, worry-free online browsing at all times. Please take action today. Just scan the QR code on screen or click the link in the description to try NordVPN free and experience built-in threat protection yourself. Or if you prefer, you can get my free PDF guide with more privacy tips. Just click on the link in the description too, and then I will send it directly to your inbox. Thank you very much for paying attention.